Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the split tool and all its features. Let's begin. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the split element tool. It cuts an element, such as a wall or pipe, at a selected point, or removes a segment between 2 points. To select this tool, click the Modify tab, Modify panel, and then select Split Element. Please note that there are two versions of the split tool, Split Element and Split with Gap. We will cover both of these in this tutorial. We will start with the Split Element tool. This tool splits an element at a selected point in two instances of the same type. As soon as you select the Split Element tool, you'll notice that your cursor changes to a knife icon. You can now simply hover over the element you wish to split. Revit will display a blue line to indicate where the split will be made. Left-click with your mouse to split the element at this point. Now we have two wall instances which butt up against each other at the split point. These are now two separate walls and can be manipulated individually. If desired, on the options bar, select Delete Inner Segment. When you select this option, Revit removes the segment of the wall or line between selected points. Let's now look at the other version of the split tool. Split with Gap splits an element and creates a gap between 2 points. To select this tool, click the Modify tab, Modify panel, and then select Split with Gap. On the options bar, adjust the joint gap parameter. This is the width of the gap that will automatically be created between the two elements after you split it. So with the gap width set, go ahead and hover over the wall. The blue line shows where the split will be made. Left-click your mouse to split the element and form the joint gap. A lock constraint is automatically formed between the two sections of the wall. This is because Revit assumes you want this to behave as a single, overall wall.